Listening skills. In the Indian Ocean, there is a small island called Mauritius. It was uninhabited a long time ago. Then some European found it. They took Indians and Africans to work in the cane fields. Today, most of the population of Mauritius is of Indian origin. There was a beautiful bird in Mauritius called dodo when the settlers went there. It was found only in Mauritius. It was big and could not fly. It was also slow in movement. People caught them for food. One by one they killed all the birds. Today there is none living. You can see it only in pictures and postal stamps. Isn't a pity that such a nice and gentle bird was lost because people there wanted to fill their stomachs? There were a few thousand tigers in the jungles of India. The king and the zamindars and the officers of the British government shot the tigers and took their skins as a trophy. Those days everyone wanted to shoot a tiger. They wanted to have a photo with a gun in one hand and a leg on the dead tiger. They killed the tigers merely for the fun of having a photo which they could hang at home. They wanted to show the world how brave they were. Now the tiger population has become very small. There are just a few hundred tigers in the country. Even now, the jungle thieves or the poachers go into the jungles and shoot the tiger for their skin and nails. The government has banned all kinds of shooting in the jungle. If this trend is not curbed now, we would be seeing tigers only in photos and on postal stamps. The government has also created tiger parks in the country where tigers can live without fear. Today we have many hundred tigers in the park like Jim Corbett, Sundarban, etc. All jungle life is precious to us. Elephants, rhinoceros, the rare birds are threatened by the poachers. The government safeguards the jungle from the poachers. It has also created protected sanctuaries for preserving jungle life, like the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary and the Gir Forest for lions. We must also preserve the trees in the jungles as we need forests for the wildlife to live in. Do you know what you can do to preserve nature? Plant trees whenever there is a space. Do not buy anything made of animals like ivory toys, purses made of snake skin, etc. Remember that somebody is going to kill poor animals to get you the toy or a purse. Thank you. Now answer the following questions.